Number 9, find the exact value of cosine of 255. 255 is not on the unit circle, but we can relate it to two angles that are on the unit circle. So I'm going to relate it to the cosine of 225 plus 30. So we're going to use a sum identity. Now the cosine of 225 plus 30, if you're using those sum identities where this is A and this is B, we can break that down into the cosine of angle A, so the cosine of 225, times the cosine of angle B, cosine of 30, minus the sine of 225 times the sine of angle B, so the sine of 30. Cosine of 225 is negative square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Minus sine of 225, also negative square root of 2 over 2. Sine of 30, 1/2. Going through our rules that we know for multiplication of fractions, our first group, we got a negative times a positive, so we're going to end up with a negative. Square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the square root of 6. Denominator, 2 times 2 is 4. Minus the other two being multiplied. Negative root 2 over 2 times 1/2. Multiply our numerators, so we end up with negative root 2 over our denominators, 2 times 2, giving us 4. Since these already have a common denominator, we can combine them into 1. So negative square root of 6 minus negative root 2, in other words, plus root 2, over their common denominator of 4. So our exact answer we can write as negative square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. You can switch the order around on that as well.